空中俯视整片山脉一片红，末日般的骇人景象真实上演。另一头火焰瀑布倾泻而下，越烧越旺。民众戴紧口罩，拉着2匹爱马，在橘红火光中拔腿逃命。
Natasha Chen and her crew captured this video, and she said it was, quote, the most terrifying exit that we've made from any assignment in a long time.
7号开始，美国加州南部陷入火海，包括高级住宅区、太平洋、帕利塞兹地区在内，至少3个火场同时猛烧。
Look at these embers, Chris. Look at these embers. Any one of these embers can go and cause a fire somewhere else.
火苗随风飘，荧幕上清晰可见。加州火势迅速蔓延，速度惊人，每分钟可以烧掉5座足球场、当地麦当劳以及犹太教堂，全部陷入火海。长照机构95位阿公阿嬷坐着轮椅，甚至躺在病床上，匆匆逃难。有些人连鞋子都来不及穿。
But you can feel what the problem is. It's this wind.
CNN 记者挺进前线 ，N95 口罩、护目镜全部戴好戴满，就怕一不小心吸入浓烟。
Unlike everywhere else in America, when the sun goes down, the winds die off. Here, because of the cold air that's going to sink down into the desert, that cold air is going to splash onto the dirt and it's going to spread out. But when it spreads out through the canyons, that's when the winds actually pick up in the dark.
强风、低湿度加上大量树木、灌木等燃料，组成野火完美风暴。大火烧到住宅区，消防员全力灌救，却仍难以控制火势。新年伊始，恶火来袭，灾民仓皇撤离，熟悉家园一夕消失。三立新闻刘觉瑜报道。
Oh my God, you guys!
放眼望去，一整团火球烧得旺盛，再拉近距离仔细看，从屋顶到外墙无一幸免，整座社区陷入火海。
I called the fire department about an hour ago. Obviously, they're very busy. I just called again to see if they were coming, and obviously they're just very busy.
一旁大火在烧，居民也只能淡定受访。洛杉矶失控野火多处连发，从天空向下俯视，又或是地面往上看，浓烟笼罩，火焰燃烧，整片土地被照成一片通红。
Take it seriously and evacuate. Your life will depend on it.
原本应该富丽堂皇的奢华住宅区，也抵不过大火肆虐，眼前所及断垣残壁。路面上更有多辆奥迪、BMW、宾士等名车也被推土机当成废弃物，只为了给警消人员清除道路。
The flames are up about 30, 40 feet high, and you hear pop, 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 sound like a war zone.
I think went at the right time, because all of a sudden you see, like a tree starting to burn. The embers were horrible.
这场野火目前已连续燃烧超过12小时，吞噬洛杉矶2900英亩，相当于1202公顷的土地。当局下令撤离7万人，就连副总统贺锦丽的住所也被划入撤离区范围。总统拜登承诺，政府将给予必要支援。加州州长也宣布全州进入紧急状态，但专家警告，接下来还有另一波风暴来袭，恐进一步助长火势，让灾情更加恶化。三立新闻黄泉报道。